Lost connection to host. Grief on town. Alright, yeah, I'm getting IP flooded. You see, I'm still online. I was just playing with Amaaze and his partner. Look, my PS3's even freezing now, trying to go back to the game screen. I mean, like, sir, if you're not good at zombies, don't play on this ladder. I'm being flooded now. It was still around 10. Like, come on. Flooded me around 10. Right here. I clicked the internet browser on my iPad and it's just slowly, it says spinning and nothing's loading right there. It's just nothing loading. It's still here. I'm not signed in, or I'm not signed out yet. Here he goes. Disconnected from Black Ops 2 servers. Can't get on, but I'm still online. I just can't get on the servers. Come on, man. And now I'm signed out of PlayStation Network. Yeah, they flooded. My PS3's even acting up. Brand new PS3, no messages received or sent really, so it's nice and fast. And you're telling me it's froze at the PS station? No, they're flooding me. Server's not available. So what happened was we were playing and I got a connection interrupted for about 15 to 20 seconds, I think, and then I was just out of the game and at the screen that I started recording on. Can't even sign in. So yeah, you saw it. Thank you.